12 income ideas with low investment. In today's fast-paced world, there are countless income-generating opportunities that require minimal financial investment. Let's explore 12 income ideas that are accessible to individuals with low budgets. Offer your skills in areas like content writing, graphic design, or web development on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Tap into a vast global marketplace with just a computer and an internet connection. Earn passive income by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. Start with a blog, website, or social media presence to share your affiliate links. Set up an online store or engage in dropshipping with minimal initial investment. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce have made it easy to start your own online business. Generate a steady income by renting out spare space. Rent a room on platforms like Airbnb or lease out a garage, storage space, or parking spot. Monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Create and upload videos on YouTube or record podcasts with little upfront investment. Become a micro-lender on platforms like Prosper and Lending Club. Lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments.